Last step. How to sew lining to the vent. Started with underlay, turn back hem at the notch and pinned at the fold. For the overlay, fold width of the vent. And then stitch at the hem. For alteration purposes, leave it. If you will not make an alteration, then cut it. For this side. Inside. I have a notch there. But this part goes in between. I like to back stitch here or edge stitch. Or back stitch. This side is easy. So just keep this up like this. And then flip over inside, or follow my notches. And we'll press, and that's it. This is after press. Now flip over. Find top of the vent and stitch it on the angle. That's it. It's supposed to look straight like this, and then let's go inside, and that's it.